Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Live from Vietnam, guys. Look, I'm wearing my lucky green t-shirt, guys, and hopefully that helps, and hopefully we'll get some reversal in the house, and hopefully things will start to go uppity up, guys. And I know a lot of you out there have been panicking. You probably watched my previous two videos. So, and guys and gals, and in my last video was a little bit of a opioid, in terms of what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. So I'm not going to say it's a great time to be alive, as I always say, because you know it's not a great time to be alive. We're seeing that the whole markets have gone down. You know it. You're living it. And I know a lot of you out there are panic selling, and I know a lot of my peeps have panic sold in the house, guys. I absolutely know that you guys have done it. Because I can smell the panic. I can smell the panic out there in YouTube land, in the crypto space, guys. So, just stop it, guys. Absolutely just stop it. Stop being wet Nancy. Stop wetting the bed. Yeah, it's not looking good right now. I know that. And so, what should you be doing? Well, I can tell you what you should be doing. If you want to listen or not, that's totally up to you, guys. Remember, it's a free world out there. You can listen or not. What you should be doing is smashing the likes. That's the first thing you should be doing. You should be subscribing YB in-house. Don't forget to comment. And also take this video link and share with your friends, with your cousins, with your brother, with your sister. Share with the whole world, guys. So right now, let's take a look at the heat map in-house. And things are not looking good. That's all I got to say about that. Things are not looking good. We're seeing that Bitcoin is now broken down. And it's at $37,983. That's all I got to say about that. We're seeing Ethereum is down 12%. Wow, woo. I'm glad I got out of most of my Ethereum about 8 weeks ago. Wow. So, things are not looking good, guys. And, the fear and greed index is still at 19. But wait. When I wake up tomorrow, this thing is going to be like, I think we're lucky if we hit like 11 or 12, guys, because I know there's a lot of fear out there, and it's not looking good. We're seeing that also. I believe that this whole, the crypto bleed out is going to continue on and on and on. We can see that the broader markets right now are also down. The Dow is down, the S&P is down, the Nasdaq is down, everything is down. And it is what it is, guys. And so what's next, guys? What's absolutely next? Well, first, let's look at 3 reasons why Bitcoin went down. Well, one reason that Bitcoin went down is we had the macro sell-off. It means that the S&P was down, the Dow Jones was down, the Nasdaq was down. So S&P was down like 1% yesterday. The Nasdaq was down 1.3%, and the Dow was down. So everything was down. So that's really the macro reason for it. Also, as I said in the previous video, we had the jobless claim, we had the housing starts, we had all of that stuff. But one of the really biggest things that pushed Bitcoin over the top was the combination of the Russian FUD and all the leverage trading, guys. So we also had BTC that inflowed onto exchanges before the crash. So the whales knew this was happening, guys. The whales manipulated, they knew. They were loading up their Bitcoin, pushing the Bitcoin onto the exchanges so they could sell it before the crash, so they could buy it back cheap, guys. So they're preparing, guys. They're preparing to buy back cheap. And the other thing is we also saw that we have a whole bunch of put options and leverage traders out there. And this says 538 million when this was written, but that ain't the case right now. We can see right now that the total options, total people that got wrecked in the last 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, is almost $900 million. That's getting pretty close to $1 billion, guys, out there. So that is crazy in membrane, guys. So it's cuckoo, and we're seeing that more Ethereum holders have got wrecked than Bitcoin holders. So Ethereum is the king daddy of getting wrecked, and the reason for that is, well, just look. People took long positions on Ethereum, and as Ethereum just dumped down 11%, guys. So the market makers are absolutely manipulating the market right now, and they are going to town right now. So if you're a long trader, if you're taking long positions right now, you're wrecked, guys. You're absolutely wrecked, and it's not looking good, guys. We're seeing all these long positions getting wrecked. There's not a lot of shorts, and once again, the leverage longs out there, they think that they can outsmart the market. You cannot outsmart an unregulated market that's controlled by the whales, guys. I just don't know why the leverage traders, they just don't learn. They keep coming back over and over again. They don't learn, guys. They absolutely don't learn. So you guys know crypto markets dumped 230 billion in a massive Red Friday sell-off, and crypto markets have dumped over 11% in the past 12 hours. Bitcoin has fallen to a 6-month low. We haven't seen prices like this since July, guys. Absolutely, we haven't seen this since July, and this is one of the biggest Friday sell-offs that we have seen. And I believe that we could see more to come, guys. Absolutely could see more to come. But, this is from Signal to Noise, and he's saying, look, it's not looking good. On the weekly, this was the S&R flip at the 43K region. TBH, with the break, we have a serious downtrend structure. If all markets stay in risk off, we can even go lower, guys. We could even be going lower and lower and lower. So let's see, guys. This weekend will tell the tale. If we can get a reversal this weekend, then we're going to be fine, guys. And this is a crypto rank platform. You can see that the top exchanges that had all this leverage trading, and as this was measured when Bitcoin went below 39. But since we've gone below 39, we've even seen more, guys. And absolutely, we've seen more. Let's take a look at that, guys. We can see right now that the total FTX had a huge amount of liquidations, followed by Binance, and that's kind of weird because normally Binance is the number one, but we're seeing FTX took 48.72%, and that was 75.84% long, guys. So, and we're seeing overall, that a total of 65% of the longs got liquidated, guys. Longs got liquidated. So the liquidators liquidated the long positions, guys. So if you're long, you're now feeling pretty short and feeling pretty miserable in the house. So this is from Travis Wright, my boy in the house, and he's saying the dormancy flow has only reached the oversold zone 6 times since 2011, including the current 14-day stint and counting. Average time spent is 24 days, the median is 19, and the longest is 55. If history rhymes, a local bottom would come in Q1, guys. So what he's postulating and what he's saying is that we could be seeing the local bottom coming in for the Bitcoin. And, if that is a local bottom, we've only seen this happen, 6 times before. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and the 6th time, this is only one day. And if this happens again, we could start to see, hopefully, a reversal in the house for Bitcoin, guys. So that's why I'm not overly panicking. Sure, things are going to go down, and this is from Tech Dev. I like Tech Dev. I tend to believe in a lot of what Tech Dev is saying. A lot of people have been beating up the Tech Dev right now because of what he's saying. And he says, call it coping, call it opioid, whatever you want. I'm glad to see a break to the downside coming out of our 12-hour volatility squeeze. 4 out of the 4 previous squeezes where candles broke the outside bands resulted in fake outs to create a trend changing reversals. Let's see if this is the 5th time. So what he's saying is that this could be a fake out, and we could start to see a trend reversal to the upside, and this is the 5th time. We had it here, guys. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Could we see a 5th time where we have a trend reversal and we start to see things going up? I think we are, and that's what I've been saying all along, that we could see a huge bullish trend reversal coming to the upside. And last time we had that, we hit all-time highs, guys. So I believe that we're going to see a huge trend reversal. I know a lot of you guys are like, hey, Darren, what are you talking about? What's going on, guys? And I tweeted this out early today, and I said, guys, do not puke on the way up or on the way down. It's a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster out there. So, guys, you're going to have to buckle up. And don't panic, guys. I mean, I know a lot of the newbies who have not been here before and never seen this before, you're probably going, OMG, what is going on? Your portfolio is bleeding out, and you're probably, down like, 12, 13, 14%, whatever. I mean, the OG's down like 250K, guys. I don't know, what is that? I don't know, what's a Lambo cost? I don't know. But I'm down, guys, but I'm still happy because I know that I haven't sold anything, so I don't have any realized losses, right? I only have unrealized losses because I'm still holding exactly the same amount of coins that I had a week ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I'm not worried. So sure, I did do a bit of DCA yesterday, and I'm going to wait till Thursday and dollar cost average again. Because what I do is I do my dollar cost averaging every Thursday. No matter what the price is, I do that. That's what I do. That's my thing. So we're also seeing that Shiba Weeby is going down, down, down. But Shiba Inu is getting a new token burn mechanism. So Shiba Inu developers are in the process of developing new methods to burn Shiba Inu, according to Stephen Cooper. These mechanisms will be introduced over the ecosystem later, and over the past weekend, more than 110 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned. Well, that's pretty fine and dandy that they're going to have a new burn, and the rate of burn is going to be a little higher. So that's going to be good from that perspective, making it a little less, it's going to make it more deflationary. But if we look at the Shiba Inu price, and we're going to jump into the Doji Woji too, and the bitty, we can see right now that Shiba Inu, as I said this morning in my first video, it's going to break down to the downside. It did, but we had some really good support at 23.9724. So that support is held. We're coming back up, so that is good news. Our next level of resistance is 26.71. So it's not looking good right now, but overall, I'm not too disappointed with where Shiba Inu is relative to the market and relative to Bitcoin. So also for the Doge, guys, we can see that the Doge, since this is on the 4-hour, and since today, we have only gone down around about 10%. So that is not too bad. We've only gone down 10%. Let's take a look at the biddy in the house. So we can measure. This is on the 4-hour. So let's go from here to here. And we can see that also we've gone down about 11%. So from that perspective, you can see that Doge is actually doing a little bit better than the biddy right now. And you can see the MACD has just dumped a big red dumpity dump right there. Took a dump, but you can see the RSI is right here, and that is like, it's totally undersold, and it's not looking good, guys. But I think this is a fake out. We're going to see a huge reversal to the upside, guys. But Bitcoin is still holding on in this range here, and Bitcoin is still not down and out, guys. And Bitcoin is still holding this range. It's still holding between 42,000 and 38,000 in the house, guys. So that's where we're holding right now. We're at the 38.5. We're at 38,481. So as long as we stay in that box, I am still bullish for the Bitcoin on the long term, guys. And we have this whole descending channel. And this is bullish. 65% of the time is bullish. 35% of the time is not. But I believe we're going to break the upside soon. I know you guys are like, what the OG? What are you talking about? You crazy old guy out there in cuckoo land. Well, guys, let's wait and see, guys. Let's absolutely wait and see. We got the 28th. We're going to have a big CME futures expiration. We got the Jeremy Powell thing on the 26th I keep talking about. I know it's redundant, but this is big, guys. So that's going to tell the tale, and we're going to see how things absolutely mature with that. And I firmly believe that we are going to break out of this descending triangle, and things are going to be okay, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is gone down like a ton of bricks right now. It's like the Titanic, guys. It's like the Titanic. So we can see here, if we measure from the top of this wick here, that's today, and go all the way to here, it's gone down like 13%. So Ethereum is down 13%. So I'm not so unhappy about that, because fortunately for me, I did sell around about 80% of my Ethereum about 6 weeks ago. Right now. So, I mean, I'm not taking as big as a hit as I would have if I was still holding those Ethereum, because I took my Ethereum profits and I bought the biddy, guys. So, my Bitcoin, yeah, sure, Bitcoin's get down, but it's not down as much as it should be. So let's take a look at Phantom. Phantom in the house is at $2.46, $2.47. It's holding its support at 241, so that is okay, about 240, right? So this has become resistance right now. So let me just turn that to red in the house. And yeah, guys, It's not looking good. Everything's looking good. Everything's not looking good. So from where we are here on Solana, we have been absolutely here before. We saw this same spot here, guys. We saw the same spot back in September, and we are going to be seeing it again here right now. So we're seeing it right here again today. So let's hopefully that these two areas will be huge areas where we're going to break out. And if we look at the pattern, I think that we're going to be breaking out. This is like an inverse head and shoulders there. So I think that we're going to be breaking out to the upside. It's just a matter of time. I think this whole Bitcoin episode here is just a huge fake out, and we're going to have a reversal. That's what TechDev thinks. I tend to believe what TechDev has to say. He's a great TA, guys. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Let me just refresh that so you know that this is the correct information. So, guys, despite everything that's going on right now in the world in crypto, you can see that we're still up 36%. Remember, this is not financial advice, and we're still in profit, guys. The portfolio is still in profit. It's absolutely in profit. So that is good news. That is absolutely good news. Let's take a look at the total market cap in the house right now. Total market cap is 1.85 trillion. Not good. And we're seeing that the volumes are 85.20. Now, I remember doing videos only in the summertime, and the market cap was like at 170, 172, and people were happy. People were euphoric back then. So we've absolutely been here before. It's nothing unusual for us to be here, and I think we're going to giddy on up, guys. And we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars has come down slightly, so that is good. That is good. But overall, this is a good buying opportunity. This is a good time to be buying the dippity dip dips, and we can see that Bitcoin is now down 38 to 38,361, and that's 8.79, guys. That's down, or we're down over 30 days, so we're down like we're down. But we're only 44% off our all-time high. So we're only 44% from our all-time high. We're seeing Ethereum right now is down almost 11.5%. And right now it's at $2,781 in the house, guys. I got the green T-shirt, guys. Let's get it. Let's get going. Let's get the crypto moving. And we're seeing that we're 42% off our all-time high. BNB is down as well. It's down almost 10%, and it's 417. And in that, we're 39% off our all-time high. So ADA right now is down 11%. It's $1.20, and get it right, OG. And we're down 61%. And I'm a buyer at $1. I'm waiting for ADA to get down to $1. So hopefully you ADAers out there, hopefully you don't feel like I jinxed it or anything. So hopefully you don't feel like that. But I'm definitely in there for $1. Now Solana is down like crazy right now, and it's down 14%, and it's at $118. So that is not looking good. And we're seeing Terra Luna right now is down 10% as well, and that's at 73. We're seeing DOT is down almost 11%, not so good. Now Doge, guys, look at Doge. Doge is not down as much as everything else. It's only down about 8%, and it's at 15. So Doge is doing okay relative to everything else. Avalanche is at 14. Shibi Weebi's at down almost 11%. And we're seeing a lot of people panicking in the house. And guys, just go back to the 7 days here. Take a look at the 7 days. And you can see there's a lot of bargains. Like, look at Phantom. Phantom is on sale. But Phantom's still up, guys. Phantom is still up over the last 30 days. So, guys, there's still a lot of huge bargains out there. There's absolutely nothing in the green, guys. Everything's red. Red. So, guys, this is just a quickie, right? This is just a quickie. I did release this video. Time to sell. Everybody was panicking in the house, guys. So do go back and follow me on my portfolio, guys. Not my portfolio. Go and follow me on my Twitter. What's wrong with you, Daryl? And also, I've got this tip thing enabled. So if you're on the mobile app of Twitter, you can actually send the OG a tippy whippy. So do think about doing that. And if you're watching the live stream, do give a super chat. I would appreciate it. Go down there, smash the likes. Subscribe, YB in the house, and show some love. I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to go to Wifey's channel and go and hit that button, guys. She's getting gingerly close to 1,000 subscribers. That's kind of like her goal, what she wants to do. So if you could help her out, help me out, I'd appreciate it. So I love it. You love it. And this is, you guys probably need some of this kind of like, relaxing stuff, and, take your mind off crypto. And guys, what I'm suggesting you guys should do this weekend is do not look at your portfolio. Let things unfold. Let nature take its course when it comes to crypto, because crypto's a jungle out there. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get the mug, get the backpack. I mean, I know a lot of you are not happy right now, so you're probably not going to be merching up. You're probably not going to be checking out my links. There might be some vitriolic weak Nancy's who are living on the rocks that are going to crawl out and probably get all crazy up in the comments. So, guys, I just want to say I love you guys. God bless you. Guys, don't panic. Stop looking at your portfolio. Things will get better tomorrow, guys. Trust me, tomorrow's another day. And, I want to end right there. And let's see, guys. Wow. Woo. So we're down, guys. We're down, down. So, we could be going down to 37,000, guys. It absolutely could happen. Don't panic. Stop looking at your portfolio. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I mean, I don't have any positive stuff to say, but I still believe, like Tech Dev says, I believe that this is going to be a fake out. We're going to see a reversal happening. That's what I think. I may be wrong. I think that 65% opportunity for Bitcoin to break out the upside, 35% is not going to happen, but we will get past this one way or the other. And if we need to wait to 2025, so be it. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.